Okay, looking to your next question, example 1.17. Investigate for what value of x and y the following system of equations: x plus y plus z equal to 6, x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 10, x plus 2y plus a z equal to b have no solution, unique solution, and infinitely many solution. That means for each cases, no solution, unique solution, infinite solution, what is your answer? That you have to give it, find it. So given system of equation, you are going to solve it by matrix method. For that, you will choose the coefficients of x, y and z as A matrix and x, y, z as X matrix, and the constants 6, 10, b as your B matrix. Now by using the elementary transformation, you are going to find the rank of AB. Right, first A and A, first come write what is argument AB. 1 combining this A and B, you will get AB matrix. For this AB matrix, by equivalent form, what is it equivalent form? The triangle elements to be 0. By equivalent form, you are going to find the rank of A and a rank of B. So first making the row 2 element, this 1 to get 0, you are subtracting from row 1. Row 2 minus row 1. So 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 10 minus 6. After then again row 3 also you are changing, row 3 minus row 1. 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, A minus 1, B minus 6. Again you have to make this triangle element, this 1 as 0. So subtract from the row 2, right? Row 3 minus row 2. So that becomes first two rows same. Okay, first two rows will be the same. Third row you have to subtract from the row 2. 0 minus 0, 1 minus 1, A minus 1 minus 2, that is A minus 3, B minus 6 minus 4, that is B minus 10. This is your changed matrix. So now you have brought it to the equivalent form. The triangle elements as zeros. Now in this form you find what is the rank of A. This will be your rank of A, and rank of A means that is going to find the determinant value of A. That so you will get the determinant value of A. To get the determinant value of AB, that means including the B elements, you have to make the determinant value any 3 by 3 order, either the second, third, fourth, that columns, or 1, 2, that 1, 3 and last fourth column, or 1, 1 last fourth columns. Any 3 by 3 matrix you have to find the determinant value. If that rank of A and rank of AB not equal, suppose for the no solution means that rank, both ranks should not be equal. That means it should be less than the both the ranks. So now suppose if you have A is a 3 by 3 order, means the rank is 3, means that AB will be lesser to that or greater to that. Suppose if you have that A, row of A, the rank of A, now we have reduced to this one. Find the rank of A. For this one it will be A minus 2 into 0. A minus 2, 0. So again similarly that the rank will exist only if A minus 3, that element becomes 0. Okay, similarly rank of AB should be the same, lesser to 2, that both should not be equal. If it is a row of A is 2, means row of AB should be 3. Okay, if that case, for row of A to be 3, that A minus 3 should be, this element should be 0, and B should not be equal to 0. The last column, B column, should not be equal to 0, no, for rank of A. For rank of AB also, this A minus 3 should be 0 and B minus 10 should not be equals to 0. So for both the cases, that A should be equals to 3 and B should not be equal to 0, then only the system becomes no solution. That means rank of A will be 2 and rank of AB will be 3. There are both the ranks are not equal, the system has no solution, inconsistent. This is your case 1. So what is the condition? A should be equal to 3, this element should be 3 equal to 0. That means A minus 3 0 means A is 3, or B minus 10 is not equal to 0. That is the case. Rank of A should be 2 and rank of AB should be 3. So what is the case for unique solution? Both the ranks should be same. That means both the ranks should be of either 3 by 3 or 2 by 2. Since if you have, for consistency is given, no, both should be 3. Because unknowns also should be, is given 3. So both the ranks also should be 3. In that case, this A minus, this element should not be equal to 0. Similarly, this B also should not be equal to 0. It should have any real numbers over there. That is a condition. So for both the rank A and rank A to be equal to the unknowns, only if condition A minus 3 is not equal to 0 and B minus 10 also not equals to 0. That is, it should belongs to some real numbers. That is a condition for unique solution. Now what is the third case? For infinite number of solution, the rank of A and rank of AB should be equal, but it should be less than the number of unknowns. Here the unknowns is 3. So less than 3 means 2. So for this equivalent form matrix, we choose A. Rank of A is 2 and rank of AB also 2. Which condition under A minus 3 is 0 and B minus 10 is 0. Both these elements should be 0. Then only that row of A and rank of A and rank of AB will be 2 and it is less than the 3. Okay, in that condition A minus 3 is 0 means A is 3, B minus 10 is 0 means B is 10. So this is the condition for infinite number of solution.